In this tutorial I will show how to give a new effect using a background. So first of all, open the Snapseed apps. I select this background for this time. Now you go to the menu and you can see there is a tune image, and you can see there is a increase the contrast and also increase the saturation and decrease the highlights and shadow decrease, and click on OK. Again go to the menu and you can see there is a details, so you increase again and also sharpening the image, click on OK. Now go to the again menu, you can see there is a double exposure and select the effect photo from your gallery. Select the neon effect photo from your gallery. I select this photo for this time. Now you can see how look like it. Now you can see there is opacity, increase the opacity. Then you can see there is a lighten, darken, add, substance and overlay. I take it there is subtract and click on OK. Now again go to the menu bar and again go to the exposure, double exposure, and select your model photo. Select this photo and drag and drop, face give to the middle, and you can see how look like it. And you can see there is opacity, increase the opacity, and you can see there is a lighten, darken, add, subtract and overlay. Keep it default. You can see look like it, and go to there and you can see the view edit and click on the double exposure and click on it, decrease this double exposure and clean the all thing without the faces of the girl. Now click on OK. Now you can see how look like our image, and go to the back and again go to the menu bar and select again and increase the contrast and also increase the saturation, also increase the ambience and also increase the highlights and also increase the shadow, increase the aura and click on OK. And structure, decrease the structure and sharpening your photo and click on OK. Now you can see there is a white balance, you can see decrease and tint also increase, click on OK. Again go to the menu bar and you can see there is a vintage, there is some default option you can choose. I select 12 number option. Again go to the menu bar, you can see vintage and outer image, outer brightness, and you can see there is a inner brightness. Now you can see how look like our image. I hope you understand how to create a new effect using a photo. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.